Hi guys. So I've been taking Myra E for a while now and I just want to share what I personally noticed about this product. So after few weeks ko siyang ginamit, I can see the result na it gives natural glow, right? If previous kang gumagamit ng Myra E capsule, you know the result, 'di ba? So, ang Myra E kasi or vitamin E is its antioxidant which helps protect your skin from damage. And also, nire-renew niya yung pagka-freshen look nyo. And the best part is, nai-slow niya yung aging process which is we all need it one, di ba? Yung, for example, like 25 or 30s ka na, we all need a capsule that delays aging process which is meron dito sa Myra A capsule. So, yung ginagawa ko pala is I take one capsule a day after a meal. Mas maganda sa morning yung i-take kaysa gabi. Kasi for me kasi is if I take sa gabi, parang bukas is parang nakakataba yung feeling, pero fresh yung look naman. So, mas maganda i-take nyo sa morning. One capsule a day lang guys. Huwag dalawa or tatlo kasi baka ma-overdose kayo. Narigatan. And of course, guys, iba-iba yung body reaction natin. So, malay mo, baka if you take this one, magkakaroon ka ng allergies or something ganon. Mas maganda to ask your doctor about it or ongoing meds ka, ask your doctor if this safe for you to take. And so, I get 2 bottles of Myra E-Cap. So, this is good for 2 months. So, let me know in the comments if you want to know the result after 2 months of taking this Myra E. One bottle pala is equivalent to 30 capsules. So, this is good for 2 months stock na yan. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, guys.